And outbreaks is planned on happening because white folks is always in the laboratory playing with these little bugs. That's what they do. And outside of the white folks playing with the bugs, you play with the bugs. All of these viruses are what's called recombinant viruses, which means that they can eat or ingest another like virus and create a new mutated strand. This is how they mutate in the wild. But what we don't think of is ourselves as animals, so we don't realize that we are also in the wild. In the wild is in us. And the more dead or dormant viruses we consume, the more dangerous or the more susceptible an active live virus strand is when it hits our body. Case in point, if we eat a lot of chicken, right? We already know that a virus is DNA/RNA from a foreign entity. All right, so avian flu comes from bird DNA and RNA. So now we eat a lot of chicken, our body is loaded with foreign DNA and RNA strands from chickens. All we need is one little active avian flu strand to slip in there, and it could reawaken all of the dead strands that's in the body, or pick from all of the dead strands that's in the body and mutate into something that's brand new. That's what recombinant means. That's why before you had it where the astronauts and the scientists, none of them believed in God. Then as technology got better and they was able to study deeper and deeper, they all believe in God now. They're like, hold on. I'm not saying it's Allah or Buddha or whoever, but I know something is going on, because once we get past a certain point, everything look magic. Like there's just no way to, this all just look crazy. We got dead strands becoming alive again. So one virus could come by, tap another virus, and now it's two viruses. They could confer life on one another, or they could consume one another and become something crazy together. So this is why we don't want to have that stuff in there, because it makes it more susceptible to that strain of virus, right? So all of these things are controlled by inflammatory responses. Neurological disease, diabetes, cancer, our subject of the month, cardiovascular, Alzheimer's, pulmonary, everything is based on inflammation. So now we keep the viruses out of the body, get rid of inflammation, right?